All right, we've got further consolidation overall in gold on Wednesday as the full range is contained below the 50 moving average for the first time in 6 days. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So for regular followers, you could see I've redrawn the top into a symmetrical triangle or a bull pennant. I'm considering it a bull pennant, which looks a little more clear on the weekly chart, I think, as far as the pole, because the pole is really like this whole zone right here, and then we have a near-term pole right here. Nevertheless, the same thing applies. Basically, we have our lower boundary support line here, our top boundary resistance line here, and you can see last week this higher swing low established that lower line. And then today there was a drop down towards the line to test it as support. So far it continues to be shown as support. So that means that given how far or how close we are to the apex, that this low could be the low. And by the way, it's also a potential higher low compared to this one. This could be the beginning of the rally that eventually leads to a breakout above the trend line, the top of the pennant, and confirmed on a rally above this swing high at 3,451. Now, so the levels we want to watch is this high right here, 3,346. A rally above and daily close above that will also put gold above the 20, and it would have already been above the 50 orange. But the key level is going to be this 3,366 because that's a lower swing high. Once that is broken to the upside, that triggers a bullish reversal and could see a pickup momentum on gold as it heads on its way to break out above the top of this panel. And of course, a drop below last week's low, 3,247, shows a failure of the pattern. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great week.